Hi, I would like to talk about some scales in these two questions. Okay, many students gave me this. From the graph, C attains its minimum at 4, 4. However, you cannot prove that. Why is it 4, 4 but not other points? Unless you test all the vertices. You cannot just claim it from the graph. Okay, if you just want to use one point, you have to draw the line. Which line you have to draw is C equals to 500x plus 180y. So if you put 0 here, you want to draw the first line, sometimes you'll find some difficulty because of the boundary of the graph paper. Okay, however, I want to let you know that you can put whatever C here because this line, only the slopes matters. Okay, for example, if I pick this point for your first point, you just need to fix the slope and then you can draw the line. Okay, so the matter is how to find the slope of this line. Okay, let's say C equals to 500x plus 180y. So you can rearrange the terms, okay, into, because you're going to find the slope. Actually, this part does not matter. What matters is only this part, negative 500 over 180, x equals to y, something here. So the slope would equals to negative 25 over 9. Okay, so what does this mean? It means the vertical over horizontal is negative 25 over 9. So, for example, let's say if I pick this point, then for every 9 unit going to the right, I have 25 unit going down. Or, on the other hand, 9 unit going to the left, I have 25 unit going up. Okay, so you can fix this slope now. Okay, so you have to draw this line. Let's say you draw this line. And then you have to label it. What is label? It is 500x plus 180y. But equals to what? Obviously it's not 0 here. So you can just use whatever point it passes through. Let's say 4, 4 here. Then you can put 4 and 4, you get 2720. Then this is the line you need. Okay, so you can have the first line and also the label for the line here so that you can claim from the graph easily without any difficulty, without any problem. Okay, so finally you have to answer the question. Minimum value of C something cos is when 4k, you have to answer the question. Okay, so for number 8, there are some problems also, especially when you know that this is non-negative integers. So how to represent integers on the graph? Actually, you have to mark all the dots here, dot. However, if you find that it is actually quite time consuming, then you can write this, an arrow, and then write the feasible the feasible solutions are points in this region with integral, it means integer, x and y coordinates. You have to write this, otherwise the shaded region represents all the points, but you only want integral points. Or if you do not write this sentence, then you have to mark all the dots here, dot. Okay, any way you like. Okay, and then secondly, to solve the problem from the graph, if you use this method, then you also have to draw a first line, 2000x plus 800y. Okay, so what you need is to find out the slope here, p equals to 2000x plus 800y. Rearranging, you have 2000x over 800 equals to y here. Okay, so the slope you can fix is negative 5 over 2. Vertical over horizontal is negative 5 over 2. Okay, so let's say if I pick this 2, 6 as a point, by guessing you know this is actually the maximum point. Okay, then for every 2 unit going to the right, you have 5 unit going down. So you can fix the other point so that you can draw your first point here, first line here. Okay, also mark the label. It is like 2000x plus 800y equals to what? Equals to, when you put 2, 6 here, you get the value is 8,800. Okay, so this is your line. You have to draw it. Otherwise, you cannot just claim it from here. Okay, suppose you don't use this method. Then you have to use testing all the vertices. What's meant by all the vertices? It means 0, 0, 4, 0, 2, 6, and 0, 10. All the vertices. Okay, so it's like that at 0, 0. Okay, do not miss this point. It's also a vertex. P equals to 2000 times 0 plus 800 times 0 equals 0. At 4, 0, P equals to ... 8000. At 2, 6, P equals to, at 0, 10, P equals to, you have to show all these four and then claim that P attains is maximum of 8800, and then you have to answer the questions. Okay, so to summarize, two methods. Either you have to draw your first line by determining the slope. It helps you get your first line. Or if the vertices are actually integer points, you can use this method. Make sure you use all the points here. Do not miss out any. Otherwise, you cannot make your claim sound. Okay, that's all.